Configure point of sale. OpenBook contains a full point of sale feature, extensive enough to be used for a large gift shop, or simple enough to be used for everyday purchases at the front desk or changes to a guest's invoice. The point of sale feature can be used to apply changes other than lodging ones to an existing reservation's invoice, or completely independent of a reservation, such as in a gift shop. Point of sale items can range from gift shop items such as t-shirts and sodas to cleaning fees and pet fees charged to a room to services offered through the property such as tours, haircuts, or massages. If used for a gift shop, full features include inventory control, supplier tracking, scanning each item at the register with a barcode scanner for quick checkouts, printing receipts for purchases, and more. Item categories. Item categories are used to organize and account for all point-of-sale items in inventory. To add a new category to item categories, go to Tools, Configure, select Point of Sale, and then Item Categories. Click Add and name the category in the highlighted box that appears above. Examples of what categories may include are damages, gift shop items, or salon services. Note that all items in the item inventory to the left must be assigned to one of the item categories here in this section, so be sure to be all-inclusive as you're creating the categories. Assign each category to a tax class that you've pre-configured in the Taxes section of Configure. This tax will be used for any packages created using all of the point of sale items in this category. For more information on configuring your taxes, see the Configured Taxes training video. Ignore the online checkbox as it's not a currently active feature in OpenBook. Third, assign an account code to the point of sale item category. An account code labels how the revenue will be displayed on the management reports for your accounting. For example, if your account code was merchandise, your revenue collected from the gift shop merchandise would display on the management reports as merchandise revenue. If the needed account code does not display in the account code drop-down, go to Account Codes in Rates and Fees of Configure and add a new account code. To delete a category, click the gray box to the left of the category and click Delete and then OK. Note, prior to deleting a category, all individual items from item inventory must be changed to an alternate category. The next section, Item Inventory, includes each individual point of sale item within the inventory. To add a new item, click Add, and then enter the information into each field. Leave any inapplicable columns or fields for each individual point of sale item blank. The tax class, selected here under Item Inventory, is the individual point of sale item section is the tax that will be applied to each point of sale item. Again, the tax assigned to the tax category previously mentioned is only used for point of sale categories in packages. If you do not use these point of sale items in packages, set the point of sale category tax and the point of sale item inventory tax to the same tax. Part number. This field can be used as a number field or an additional description field. This is typically used by the hotel if they have a simple part number they assign to each point of sale item for easy inventory counts and reordering. Description. This is the specific product name or description. Supplier. Choose from the drop-down menu to the right to either add an existing supplier or click Add Supplier in the bottom left corner to create a new supplier and enter the information there. Quantity. Insert the total amount of inventory for that point of sale item on hand. If it's a service, leave this field blank. Category. Select from the drop-down menu the item category with which the item is grouped. Price. This is the amount charged to the customer. This number can be changed when added to an invoice if needed. Cost. This is the amount paid by the hotel to purchase the item from the supplier. SKU or SKU. This is the barcode number already on the point of sale item provided from the supplier. Barcode. The barcode field is used to create your own barcode numbers for point of sale items rather than using the SKU number provided by the supplier. Not all point of sale items come with SKU numbers from the supplier, so it's sometimes necessary to create your own barcode label with your own numbers. If that's the case, enter them here. If you use the SKU number, just fill out the SKU field and leave the barcode field blank. If you have a barcode scanner, you may scan the item and it will populate the barcode field automatically. Reorder. Set the reorder point to the number at which you need to reorder each point of sale item. For example, if you have 50 toothbrushes on hand and you typically reorder more toothbrushes when your inventory is down to about 10, set the reorder point to 10. This will display on the point of sale inventory reports to remind you of which item needs to be reordered. Track quantity. If checked, this will track the quantity of the item on hand. This information is posted on the point of sale inventory and point of sale inventory by vendor reports. This should be checked for all point of sale items that inventory is kept on. It should not be checked for any services. Online. Ignore the online section as it's a feature that isn't currently used. The next section, suppliers, should include every supplier that you order the items from in your item inventory list. To add a new supplier, click Add, and then enter the business name, title, name of the main contact, address, phone, email, and fax. Use the bottom scroll bar to progress to the further areas of the information. In order for the supplier to appear in the drop-down menu in the item inventory screen, the active checkbox must be checked. To view the entire note, hover over the section and a message will appear in full. To delete a supplier, click the gray box to the left of the supplier and click Delete, and OK.